The 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, trip odometer, fog lights, clock, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.